Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. Today's video we are discussing about removing an index, and you can see these two videos. What is indexing? What is reindexing? When you want to do reindexing. So now back to our today's topic, why you want to remove an index. Let's say the table is outdated. It is no more in use. In that case, you don't want that table to come in the search because that table is now irrelevant. So it's better to remove it from search. So to do it, you have to remove the index. So in this case, we have three scenarios. The very first one is removing the index of a base table. Let me show it how to do it. Just go to dictionary, open it. Let's say I want to remove it from task table. That is the base table, right? This is my task table. Always remember that you have to do it on the collection type right here, which is having no column name. So if you change it to false, index is removed. So you see the message, it has removed the index from this table as well as from all the child table. So this is done. Now we come to our second scenario. The second scenario is deactivating or removing the index from a child table. So this is one of the child table of task. This is incident. So if you remove the text index from here, it will not work because it is inheriting it from the base table. So in order to deactivate or remove the index from child tables, just remember you have to add a particular attribute. Okay, that is mandatory if you want to remove it. Open this selection or table, go to the attribute list here, click on new, find the attribute which is having index, no text index. You see this one, make it true, submit. The parent might be having an index, but this table explicitly requesting for no indexing. So this is it. Now the third scenario is if you want to remove the index from a specific field only. Let's say from any table a field is depreciated, a field is removed or no more like being used, right? In that case also you need to repeat the same attribute thing like this. Let's say I want to remove text index from this field of incident. Add a new attribute, no text index, make it true, submit. So now this particular field is removed from the text index. It means it will not appear in the search result. Okay. So this is how we tackle all these scenarios when we want to remove the text index from any field or any table. Okay. So I hope this is it. Subscribe to the channel. Let us know what are your queries. Thank you so much. Bye bye.